feeling into the Pilates myself to try and get the motion, because it really is, it literally is the same this. It's just a matter of whether your arm is doing this or this. There's multiple facets to the turnaround, as of course I imagine you would imagine, because you have to be able to do the, well, the question is, which hand would go horizontal versus vertical? Then which way do you want to turn? Because the direction of the cap that we want to do will be dependent on it. That's pair number one. Now let's look at pair number two. Pair number two would be if we're using the right hand as the one that's doing the horizontal and left is doing the vertical. And then what's going to happen is your left will go down and your right, so the left will go down and across while the right goes horizontal. Yeah, your left hand is underhand, and it's doing, yes, yeah, you're doing an underhand four pedal like this, yes. And then your right hand is, all you do is just your nice little counter, it's still a counterclockwise C cap. So the fourth position would be left in overhand in the back, and then right in counterclockwise in the front position. Then the left goes down, the right goes to the side, then the right goes to the back, the left goes to the front, and then the left goes up and over while the right swings around to the front. Yeah.